So to move some cells around in Microsoft Excel, the first way that we could do it is by using our mouse and selecting the cells range that we want to move, and then hover until the cursor changes to these 4 arrows with the different directions, and then double click and just move your cells wherever you need. Then another thing that you could do is to select your data and then press CTRL and X, and then go to the cell range where you want to paste your data and just CTRL and V. Or you could do this by selecting some data and then right clicking and selecting from the drop down over here insert, and then from this pop-up we select the shift cells down option, we hit OK, and now the cells have been moved down. And this also works if we select a cell range that is in vertical alignment. We click on insert and you see we have a bunch of options. Let's shift everything down, and just like that we shifted some cells from this range over here to this range over here. And if we look at the bottom of the range, everything has been moved with a few cells below. This also would make a lot of sense if we shifted the whole row. For example, you can select the entire row over here. If you just select one cell, you can click insert and then just select entire row, and it will move the entire row. Or if we would like to move the entire column, we select the entire column from here and we hit OK. And this is pretty much how we move cells in Microsoft Excel. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and thank you for watching.